Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find your API key through OpenAI. So it's not actually through ChatGPT's main site. So what you want to do is just head over to Google and type in OpenAI developer, and it'll pop up here, or you can go developers.openai.com. You can see that here. So click on the first link. Now you can go to the API dashboard, top right corner. If you don't have an account, you continue with your account. Then all you do is go to API keys here. And you just create right here, create new key. You can call it SQUID bot OpenAI or whatever you want. Call it your business name, and then create secret key. Now I'm going to delete this. Keep this very safe. Don't show anyone. So I'm just going to delete this right now and remove. And that's it.